you, bro.
Tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, but under the pressure of walking in your shoes. Just calling me undertow. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. Just calling me undertow. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want you to do is be more like me and be less like you. Can't you see that you're smothering me, holding too tightly, afraid to lose control? 'Cause everything that you thought I would be is falling apart right in front of you. Just calling me undertow. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. Just calling me undertow. And every second I waste is more than I can take. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want you to do is be more like me and be less like you. And I know I may end up failing too, but I know you were just like me, with someone disappointed in you. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want you to do is be more like me and be less like you. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Tired of being what you want me to be. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there.
Yeah. Who run it? You know they acting like it down now. You run it. You know but they acting like it down now. You know they acting like it down now. You run it. You know but they acting like it down now. You know they acting like it down now. I said the club up pump show. This flow is gon' bring no dough. You know but they acting like it down now. I say I run it 'cause I'm in control. Hypnotic when I see a couple shots of Patron. I ain't feeling nice, I get your eyes to pain. Party poppers on the station, coming with you tonight. I ain't self-related, I ain't snapping and popping either. I'm bobbing my head or I'm just standing there watching. I'm a hustler, I hustle, you can tell that I'm paid. And I protect what I got, I'm in the house with my blade. Nigga, you first go get it. Okay, now maybe I'm fitted, 'cause I want you to trip. Yeah, I be on that shit. You should see when I'm starting, the flesh is supposed to be bugging. Push the whips to be rolling, you can tell that I'm hauling. I'm just doing my thing, you know the units, the gang. I got my client, you shady with me, you front, you'll have to get me off your ass. A bit of lawsuit and laugh. It's not a big deal, it's nothing but some cash. You know they acting like it down now. I said the club up pump show. This flow is gon' bring no dough. You know but they acting like it down now. You know they acting like it down now. I said the club up pump show. This flow is gon' bring no dough. You know but they acting like it down now.
Got together to do this music, the more we became invalid, we just developed the fellowship through it. There's no pretension, it's friendship, meaning it's just assuming it's the same for him, it's just me, it's either this.